If you're looking for a stylish, relaxed, and perfectly located beachfront escape in Koh Samui, let me introduce you to Chura Samui. Located right on Chawang Beach, on the northeast coast of Koh Samui, this boutique resort puts you in one of the island's most popular areas while still offering a peaceful atmosphere. You're just minutes away from Central Festival Samui, vibrant nightlife, restaurants, local markets, and even better, it's only a 10 to 15-minute drive from the airport, making arrivals quick and easy. Chura Samui is a 4-star beachfront boutique hotel featuring around 65 thoughtfully designed rooms and suites. Each room blends modern comfort with an Asian chic design, offering spacious layouts, private balconies, and relaxing garden or sea views. What really sets this resort apart is this balance between relaxation and location. You get a beachfront pool, direct beach access, and a peaceful sitting, while still being just a short walk from all the action of Chawang. There's also a fitness center, on-site dining, and even unique experiences like Thai cooking classes and cultural tours, giving your stay an authentic local touch. Guests consistently highlight the friendly service, clean rooms, and relaxed atmosphere, making it a great value option for couples and solo travelers. Chawang Beach is one of the most famous beaches in Thailand, and here you're on the quieter stretch. Expect soft white sand, warm clear water, and plenty of options for water activities like kayaking and jet skiing. And when you're ready to explore, everything is right at your doorstep, from the beach bars to shopping and nightlife. The best time to visit Koh Samui is between December and April, when the weather is dry, sunny, and ideal for beach days. Temperatures typically range from 28 to 32 degrees Celsius with calm seas and light winds, perfect for tropical getaways. Chura Samui is all about location, comfort, and value. You get a prime beachfront setting, stylish boutique rooms, easy access to everything in Chawang. So if you're planning a trip to Koh Samui and want a resort that offers both relaxation and convenience, Chura Samui could be the perfect choice. Beautiful resort on a very beautiful beach, and it's on the quiet end of the beach. You're only moments away from all the nightlife, all the bars, all the restaurants, all the activity, if that interests you. But if you're looking for a quiet holiday, you have that as well. But the nightlife and all the fun is only a few minutes away. Very, very convenient, that is for sure. The price of this hotel is very reasonable as well. Looking 2 months ahead from right now, which puts it in the low season, the price is 2,250 Thai baht per night, or around 70 US dollars. That, of course, is before taxes and the cheapest option, but very, very reasonable for any hotel, especially 4-star and above in Koh Samui. But like I said, that is before taxes. I will put the link to Agoda in the video description so you can get more information and check out the prices on your dates. Now, looking at the reviews. This hotel has a rating of 8.3 out of 10, which is nothing special on Agoda. Anything below 8 is a hotel, in my opinion, to avoid. But I don't see any reason for these low scores. It looks like a very nice place to me. 8.3 is reasonable, but I wouldn't want to see it very much lower, that's for sure. And this is quite a few reviews, 1,894 reviews. So a reasonable amount of reviews as well. People are saying it's okay, it's nothing special. But at this price point, compared to the hotels right next door to this, is at least 5 times as much. Just look it up. Most of those, though, are 5 stars. All right, guys, there it is. As always, thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next one.